delivery. This time all the way from Australia. And it is my friend Sandy Gaskett from Sandy Gaskett Art channel who has sent me this lovely package. So if you want to see what's inside, keep watching. Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this video, as you've seen already on the thumbnail, I'm gonna share how I made this little card with this little snowman. And this is a collaboration together with Sandy from Sandy Gaskett Art channel. Do check her out. Her link is down in the description below. She does beautiful wave paintings and whatnot, so go and check her out. I'm gonna send this all the way from here, from London, all the way to Australia, and let's see how long that takes. And then I'm hoping that Sandy will send me a reaction video once she received it and opened it up. So let's see what she says about her card. And yes, let's jump straight into this one. I am using mixed media paper and Winsor & Newton water paint. I'll link these in the description below, so if you're looking for new good quality paints, I recommend these ones highly. I use both acrylics and water paints from their brand, and it is very good, very strong and vibrant in color. So yes, but now let's jump straight into making this card.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's a card calendar. Oh. Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Charlotta. I love it. You're the best friend ever.
So me and Sandy decided to send each other Christmas cards, but if you look at the size of this envelope, it's more like a package, right? So I can't wait to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, Sandy, let's do this. So inside we have, let's see, there's a whole bunch of things inside. Let's see this one first. Charlotta, Charlie, love, Dandy Sandy. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, it looks metallic. Is it metallic or is it just my eyes? Look at this gorgeous card. Sandy is an artist and she paints a lot of oceans and waves, and I love the color scheme in this picture. It's very pretty. If you want to see how she made it, do head over to her channel and check that video out. I haven't seen it myself, so I am looking forward to checking that out as well. To my dear friend Charlotta, Merry Christmas to you and a wonderful, successful, loving, happy New Year 2021. Lots of love, Sandy Dandy Gas Bomb Girl XOXO. P.S. Thank you for all your support and friendship over the last year. So glad our paths crossed. Much love for 2021 and beyond. Love, Sandy Dandy XOXO. Thank you, Sandy. This is lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, there is more in here. Sandy, you are cheating. This wasn't the rules. We're meant to only send each other cards, but she has sent a whole bunch of things in here. Let me just see what's in here. So, there is a second envelope inside, and this is a massive one. And here's another wave. Look at that. Very colorful, and the heart on the back. So let's open this as well. She put this kind of cardboard in the back as well. This one will keep it from bending. And Sandy, you know I'll be recycling this, right? I'm gonna use this for something crafty. Okay, what's in here? Here's another card. This is also made by Sandy. Bush Christmas. But that's a second card. She sent this flower with her painting as well. Check out her channel. She's got a lot of videos of how to make beautiful ocean paintings. And here's some more information about her. So she lives over in Australia, and that explains why she has so many of these beautiful ocean pictures. Because she lives close to the ocean, right? And they've got gorgeous waves over there. Here's an illustration. And finally, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love. I don't know if you can see it so clearly in the video. There are such gorgeous little details. The name of this print says here on the back side, Snorkelers by Sandy Gaskett 2020. I love this so much. I'm gonna frame this one. Thank you, Sandy, so much for sending this over to me. I am overwhelmed. I was expecting a card and she sent me a whole bunch of things. So thank you so much, and thank you for your friendship as well. So guys, that was it for this video. Thank you a bunch for watching all the way till the end. I hope that you will subscribe if you're new here, if you want to see more of my videos. I guess that's it. I shall see you in next video. Ha det bra!
Merry Christmas! It's beautiful! Yay!